something. He's way down.
For a $5 bet? Three spins.
It's gonna be double, buddy.
Well, whatever you get.
Because you got
Holy
four.
crap, I didn't realize it was gonna do that.
Yes, I told you. And they can double 3 times.
Oh my
They can
God.
double again.
The egg messes them up.
The egg does mess it up, yeah.
Yeah, but that's good. We got 25 and
And it can
15.
respin again.
Oh,
It can
nice.
respin 3 times.
Oh
Possible.
my god, that'd be amazing. Oh, I hope
Hands on him
so.
tonight for sure.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Let's see if it spins again. It might spin again. It might.
I hope it does.
It's crazy.
I mean, I played this machine like for like a couple years, I think, and I've never had it do this.
I've seen it before. I've seen somebody win 3,000 on it.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, hopefully.